Niki kugitigite ikaria tauni ya Muhoroni na kieha kiingi na gwicurania kira kiracungiriirie Muiritu uyu gutabania giko giki kia unyamu na kugera ngero eno. Umwe wori urehokeirwo gukorwo ari muteithiriria wa nyumba eno aragaruruka na gutuika muragani akenina mwana uria aratungatagira hamwe na mumwandiki. Akiaria na kigiriko kinene muthuri mwene mucio uyu Otieno uri utarari muciini gwake hindi ya njuragano eyo augite ni undu uri kiriga uri mutumia wake arahithukiirwo mari na muruwe na kugerwo ngero eyo.
I was just in town. I stay in town here and I had some commitment just within Nyando where I work. So I didn't go to work by that time, but I was called. So from the numerous calls I got from where she works is what worried me so much. That's why I took that initiative, at least now, to keep on calling to inquire. But the truth was later on revealed by evening when I went there and confirmed that my wife and my son were dead.
Otieno ugwete Muiritu uyu ararutite wira kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe tu na matirakoretwo mamumenya wega.
According to the occurrence, I can't actually figure out what could have happened.
No undu wa kumakania ni ati mwana ungi wa miaka itatu raikaraga muciini uyu ndari ugwati aratunganire naguo hindi ria giko giki kirahanikire.
Walisikia kelele. Walipokuwa wamesikia kelele wakakuja hapa kwa hii nyumba ya jirani yetu. Wakapata huyo maid hapa ndani. Wakauliza maid, wapi sister? Maid akasema, sister ametoka na mtoto amepeleka wapi hospitalini.
Miri ya eri ni twarito moshari-ini ya Star Kisumu huko borithi magithiaga na mbere na gwethana na Muiritu uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.